Hello friends, welcome to my channel. How are you all? Hope everyone is doing well. So today I am going to present before you few facts about birds. Here I have shared a few pictures of birds. The first one is trumpeter swan. Often times swans are associated with love. Pictures often appear with two swans leaning into each other, creating a heart shape with their necks. This stereotype is actually quite accurate as swans form monogamous pairs, sometimes forming bonds that last a lifetime. Trumpeter swans are the largest type of swan, with a wingspan reaching up to 8 feet and a weight up to 35 pounds. Next, trumpeter swans are known for their striking black and white color. Next, aptly named, their calls sound long and loud, like a trumpet. These beautiful birds have white feathers with a striking black bill and black feet. They can be seen in the freshwater lakes, rivers, and marshes in the northern parts of America and Canada. Although they were once in danger of extinction from poaching trumpeter swan, populations are now increasing. Next is common loon, named for their awkward walk on land. The common loon is actually quite the graceful swimmer, with legs situated at the back of its body. It easily navigates the northern lakes of North America, Iceland, and Greenland, diving up to 200 feet at a time. It scores lakes for fish and crustaceans. Their feet position allows them to compete with even the most skilled swimmers, using one foot as a brake to quietly turn, pivoting 180 degrees in seconds. Although most birds have hollow bones designed for flight, the common loon has solid bones, helping it dive deep when it is on the hunt. However, the common loon's locomotion is not just limited to water. Even with solid bones, unusual for a bird, it can reach speeds of over 70 miles per hour in the air. A common loon swimming in Wisconsin. And next one is emperor penguin. Imagine the coldest winter you have experienced. If you live in a temperate climate, you might have felt below zero temperatures. However, penguins like it colder than your freezer. Dwelling in Antarctica, emperor penguins thrive in temperature frequently reaching 76 Fahrenheit, and that's without the wind chill. An emperor penguin family in Antarctica, weighing up to 88 pounds and growing to 45 inches tall. These large penguins have a streamlined shape that allows them to easily dive and navigate the cold water of Antarctica. No flight required. Now, flamingos. Not all salt water is found in the ocean. Extremely salty lakes and marshes can be quite caustic. Not many animals tolerate the high salt content of these regions, found in South America, Africa, the Middle East, and the Caribbean, and parts of the Florida coast. However, malingos love the salt and strive there. Sometimes the only other neighbors of the flamingo are the microscopic algae, diatoms, and crustaceans that makes up their diet. The unique pigments in this food source are what give flamingos their characteristic color. Next one is Canadian geese. Color: black head, white cheeks and stream strap, black neck, brown back and tan breast. and the characteristics are very aggressive in defending their territory, and their sizes are approximately 30 to 40 inches long, with a wingspan that spreads between 50 and 70 inches, and potentially dangerous to property and crops, not necessarily people. And the next one is house sparrows. Color. To identify the house sparrow, look for the black throat and chest pads like chicks and brown nape on the male. The female has a plain brownish chest and dull eye stripe. Its characteristic, the house sparrow often lives in close proximity to humans and can be found in both urban and rural settings. Their sizes are adult house sparrows have a typical length of 16 centimeters and potentially dangerous not to people but to structures. And the next one is pigeons. Color. The rock dove is generally blue-gray with a white rump, has iridescent feathers on its head and neck, two broad black bars across each wing with a broad dark band across the length of the tail. They can also display brown, white, or gray plumage. Its characteristic. The standard pigeon has a short neck with a small head. Their short legs with the level front and hind toes allow them to perch on branches as well as walk on flat surfaces. Adult pigeons are generally 32 to 37 centimeters long. Potentially, they are not dangerous to people and structures. Now, toucan. In this list of birds, the toucan is one of the beautiful beast birds, which belongs to a family of Rumphistidae. This family is closely related to American burbot. The name of this bird is from Portuguese. Toucan's mass ranges between 130 gram to 680 gram, and its length lies in between 11.5 inches to 29 inches. Their bodies are short and size is comparable to crow. Its tail is rounded and varies in length to the whole body. Its wings are small and neck is thick and short. These birds travel only short distances as they are forest-dwelling birds. Its tongue varies from 14 to 15 centimeters, which is narrow and gray color. It understands the taste and is sensitive to it. Next is kingfisher. Kingfisher belongs to a family of Alcedonidae and has three other families like Alcinidae, Halcyonidae, and Cherulidae. These beautiful birds belong to the families that contain river, tree, and water kingfishers. There are about 90 species in kingfishers. Kingfisher has a large head, sharp, long, and pointed bills, with short legs and stubby tails. Most of these species have plumage with differences in their sexes. These are mostly found in forests in tropical regions. They generally feed on fish and a wide range of prey. They love to live near rivers to eat fish. Their nest will be in cavities, tunnels dug into artificial banks in the ground. A quarter of kingfishers lives in unused termite nests. Next is swift. Swift belong to a family of Apodidae of highly aerial birds. Tree swifts are closely related to true swifts. This family is derived from Greek, which means foodless. These are aerial birds and are the fastest flyers and flies about 169 kilometers per hour. Common swift can cover at least 2 lakh kilometers in a single year. Swift has large wing tip bones. And the next is about mammals, which I have described already in my previous video. If you want to know more about mammals, please go through the link provided below. Thank you for watching my video, and in the next video I will present before you some more facts about birds. So if you like my video, do share and subscribe.